It is about samawat, Huzur. The universe above us is divided into samawat according to the Holy Quran or the science. He says actually that basically he wants to know the spiritual aspect of samawat, because Hazrat Rasul Kareem sallallahu alaihi wasallam saw in Miraj that different prophets are kept in different stages of heaven. So is there any reality of such a division of stages of heaven?
The Holy Quran says, how can you challenge the reality?
And what is the meaning of this?
Everyone has a special status with Allah. All prophets are alike in one way, that they receive the revelation from Allah, from none else. They are different in other ways, that some are closer to Allah and some are less closer, or closer and more closer to Allah. So as such, there are 7 divisions made according to the Holy Quran, and different prophets are told to have risen to a certain point, the maximum point of their rise towards Allah. And as such, Ahmad sallallahu alaihi wasallam during Miraj was shown that he crossed all the 7 points and went beyond. Afterwards he stopped, because after that it was a domain where no makhluk could ever reach. Angels were no angels, prophets were no prophets. So there he stood, and there was only Allah alone at that high point. This is why the lotus tree or lot tree is spoken of, and I have spoken of, I have mentioned this before, that this is used not only by Arabs at that time but even today as a boundary indicator. At the boundary they plant these thorny plants so that to tell the people this is our land and that's your land. So Allah has mentioned something like this, and unfortunately the Orthodox Mullah actually believe that there is a lot tree over there. It's extremely stupid. What that lot tree is doing only symbolic, meaning that human boundary stops and Allah's boundary begins. Understand?